Hi friends, today we're working on bar graphs and graphing some more. So you'll see that on this first slide, it says graphing. The title of our bar graph is Morning School Clubs. The y-axis, the one that points to the sky, is number of students, and we can see that it goes by intervals of 10. The x-axis down here at the bottom says book, singers, art, and STEM, and those are the different school clubs. So just by reading this graph in the very beginning, I can see that it's showing these different morning clubs. There are 4 options, and this is how many students are attending each one of them. So now that I've gotten a good feel for the graph, I can go over here and look at the questions. I'm going to click and drag this down just to make my text a little bigger. Use the graph to answer the questions below. How many students are in the book club? And you'll see that there's a blank and oh my gosh, it already gave me the label. How amazing. So first I need to go look at book and I need to go up. I can see there are 30 students. I'm going to click on my text box. I'm going to put in a 3 and a 0. 30 students are in book club. And you'll do the same for STEM and singing club. Looks like it doesn't ask about art on this slide. But then you'll notice when you go to the next slide over here, do you see how the questions have changed, but the graph hasn't? And you'll notice that this graphing is still green, so it's really nice. It's color-coded. So this just means there are 2 more questions. Now I see STEM, now I see art about that same graph. So on each of these assignments, you'll have, it looks like 2 questions, or sorry, 2 slides for each graph. So these ones are pink. These ones are purple. Ooh, there's 3, 4, 5 purple ones. And then there's a few that are pink and then some that are blue. So just be aware of that as you're going through and answering the questions, all right? And if you accidentally delete a text box, oh no, I deleted a text box. You can always go back, undo, or worst comes to worst, you could always draw a new text box by clicking on the text box tool and clicking and dragging. All right, friends, happy learning.